Welcome to Scythe. Today, we'll be providing an overview of how to make a Mow Zone with M.52. This video assumes you are familiar with how to drive M.52, the autonomous concepts and safety information which are covered in other videos in the operator manual. Before attempting to create a Mow Zone, you'll want to make sure that the systems the machine uses to create a Mow Zone are active. Use the control panel display to confirm that the GPS, LTE, and heading icons are all white. If they are not, you'll need to take the troubleshooting steps outlined in our other videos. Mow Zones are created in drive mode because you, the operator, are driving around the area you wish M.52 to mow autonomously. Drive to the starting location of your desired Mow Zone. Select New Mow Zone on the control panel. You'll be prompted by the instructions on the display to begin driving your Mow Zone. Start driving the desired boundary of your Mow Zone. As you drive, keep your speed slow and controlled and take smooth turns. Be sure to leave at least one machine width buffer between the mower and any hazards or objects, such as sidewalks, flower beds, posts, or benches. The buffer should be increased to 2 machine widths when the Mow Zone boundary will be near a drop-off like a curb or retaining wall, a body of water, or on a slope. Avoid creating narrow areas that can cause pinch points when the machine performs the task. M.52 performs best when it has sufficient space to navigate and make turns during Scythe mode. As you drive the desired boundary of your Mow Zone, you will see the Mow Zone shape appearing on the display. The visualization may be a moment behind real time as the machine processes the Mow Zone boundary you are creating. As you approach your original starting point, you will see your Mow Zone polygon begin to take shape. When you have returned to your original starting point and are satisfied within your Mow Zone, stop and select Finish. You do not need to be exactly back to your original starting point. If you are a couple feet away at the time you select Finish, M.52 will connect your polygon with a straight line between your finish point and your starting point. You have now created a Mow Zone that can be used today or sometime in the future and will be available on all of the M.52 within your Scythe fleet. The newly created Mow Zone will automatically be named using the time and date the Mow Zone was created. On your machine, Mow Zone shapes are visible in drive mode. Mow Zone shapes and names are visible in Scythe mode. We highly recommend renaming your Mow Zone using your Scythe mobile app or in your Scythe web portal. Having Mow Zones named helps you and other operators plan and understand the work on the job site as they select Mow Zones for autonomous tasks and future visits. Any name changes made to the Mow Zones within the mobile app should appear on all of the machines within your fleet within a few minutes. Also ensure that all necessary no-go zones have been created for your Mow Zone. We cover these settings and steps in our About Task video. If you want to run a task immediately after creating your Mow Zone, drive your M.52 at least 10 feet into the Mow Zone. Make sure you are not near any no-go zones and that your machine is pointed in the direction you want it to go if you are using a striping pattern. You now have a basic understanding of how to make a Mow Zone with M.52. Let's go get Mow done.